At first glance, this may appear to be just a lid. But let me assure you, this is not just cookware. This is a statement. A stainless steel or possibly aluminum ring of mystery, once the crown atop a boiling kingdom, now exiled. Lid without a pot, a solo warrior. The unsung hero of simmered soups past. But guess what? Its journey isn't over. Because you, yes you, could be the next chapter in this lid's strange, glorious tale. What can it be used for? Oh, let me count the absurd ways. Use it as a very confusing frisbee. Hang it on the wall and tell guests it's abstract art. Pretend it's a shield while dramatically charging into the kitchen. Use it as a reflective device to check your hair during existential crises. Bang it with a spoon to declare dinner is served, even when it's not. This lid is perfect for those who cook metaphorically. You don't need a pot to own a lid. All you need is vision. And mild chaos. You see, this lid chose to be alone. It left the pot life behind and said, I am enough. And we admire that, don't you? So why should you buy it? Because deep down, you know it doesn't make sense. And that's exactly why it belongs with you. The link is in the description. Go claim your circular mystery.